How to copy and paste beats in FL Studio. So here I have a random beat that I made, and I'm gonna copy paste this. Now first I gotta figure out what's the beat and what's the vocal. So everything that has to do with the vocal is right here, and the rest of the beat is up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold CTRL and my left click and drag this like that, and only select these parts, for example, because this is the beat drop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit CTRL C and then CTRL V, and then I'm just gonna drag this like that. But maybe it's too much of a pain for you to drag this like this, so let me just do this, select this again, and now I'm gonna make sure that nothing goes over these lines at the end and at the start. Okay, now that I made sure that that's the case, I'm gonna press CTRL C and then CTRL B. And now I can press B as much as I like. The beat is gonna make a perfect loop each time. That's how to copy a beat in FL Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.